Facial Cleanser, Pore Minimizer and Cleanser. This foaming facial cleanser offers maximum benefits for your skin, removes bacteria-causing acne, pimples and outbursts, nourishes and repairs dry and damaged skin, refines skin tone and texture, treats fine lines and wrinkles. Deep cleansing action removes excess oil, dust particles and toxins, prevents signs of anti-aging, such as sunspots and discoloration. Hydrates for softened skin, through olive oil, calendula and rose hip oils. Exfoliates to polish away dull skin and diminish the look of pores, balances and soothes complexion, stimulates cellular regeneration, restores and heals damages skin. Package includes 1x 4.3 Florida ounce face wash. Your purchase is backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. We personally take care of each and every customer. Proven anti-aging cleansing treatment. Honestie Naturals Vitamin C Cleanser offers the best way to get advanced cleansing action with the most effective, natural, and pure ingredients for an ageless look, including organic chamomile, green tea, coconut water, and aloe. These ingredients work together to rejuvenate, restore, and refine the skin for ultimate radiance, wrinkle-free beauty, and a healthy complexion. Extreme antioxidant benefits. With a potent amount of antioxidants from vitamin C, this cleanser is the perfect solution for both men and women looking to achieve more youthful and brighter looking skin fast with a simple addition to their skincare regimen. Of the many functions, Honestie Naturals Vitamin C Cleanser serves, the most prominent are its ability to both help prevent and diminish the appearance of signs of aging by promoting collagen production for firmer skin. Renewing blackhead and blemish defense. Honestie Naturals Vitamin C Cleanser works wonders when it comes to clearing away clogged pores and reducing and preventing whiteheads and blackheads from forming, but it helps control breakouts and other skin imperfections and blemishes too. For example, this cleanser contains ingredients to help correct and reduce sunspots, discoloration, dullness and free radical damage that can come from prolonged sun exposure. Brightening action for balanced complexion. Penetrating deep to deliver results. This product also keeps the skin hydrated by using a combination of soothing oils and moisturizers to leave the face with a boost of hydration and a clean feel. Everyone with dry skin, oily skin, sensitive skin, or even combination, will see some type of benefit they've been looking for with this professional grade formula. Exfoliating Age Reversal Essentials. Boosters in this cleanser help to wash away dulling skin cells, fading the appearance of lines, wrinkles or fine blemishes. With nourishing ingredients to provide daily defense, you'll see youth restored to the skin anywhere on your body in no time. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product, please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.